Hi, this is John with WTI, and as I'm constantly working from home and sitting in my chair for several hours, 5, 6 hours a day, and my posture was already suffering a little bit. Having rounder shoulders is not the most attractive or greatest aesthetic thing that you can have in your body. So this is where this guy comes into place, and I like this a lot. This is the Schiara posture corrector. You put this guy in here, which is a little bit complicated sometimes, but because I have a problem in one of my shoulders. But when I put this guy here, I reached it back and I use the both of the straps from each side of your shoulders. It felt like both of my shoulders retracted back, and my shoulder brace kept me intact. My chest went into the middle, and everything was just like now in place. So I rotated from a couple of days, used it 30 minutes, then an hour, then hours, and I already feel my posture is getting better. I use this while I'm working or doing anything that in my chair, and I can just now have hours doing this, and I know that it's gonna take care of my posture. This is great. And this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.